Now we'll wrap up by just doing a very brief comparison and discussion of trends. So this is a graph from your textbook that compares the access times. There's a logarithmic scale on the y-axis here, and so you can see the disk seek times are up here, the SSD access time is over here. This was a relatively new technology, so there was only one data point when your textbook authors created this graph. And then you can see the DRAM and the SRAM times here towards the bottom, and you can see just how much faster these technologies are than the secondary storage technologies. Your textbook also has a table of trends over time, and I would encourage you to read through this and just be aware of, how much engineering effort has gone into these things over the past couple decades. And it's really quite amazing how much we've been able to, for instance, reduce the price of these technologies and improve their performance. Okay, so let's wrap this up with a couple of our core themes. So one theme of this course that we've seen in this section is that systems design involves trade-offs. So with respect to memory, this is often price versus performance. You pay more for memory technologies that are faster. And so we compensate for this by building our systems that have a little bit of the faster memory and a lot of the slower memory, and we devise our system such that we try to take advantage of our faster memory and keep the things that are going to be accessed again soon in that memory so that we can access it more quickly. Another core theme is that the details matter. So knowing about the underlying system and how the memory technologies are arranged enables you to exploit these latency inequalities for better performance. If you can write your code so that you can keep things in higher levels of the cache, for example, your program will perform better. So the key concepts here are locality and caching, the idea of storing and accessing related things together, and keeping copies of things that we'll need again soon. And we will look more at these next time when we talk about caching.